नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं हिमांशु और आज आप देख रहे हैं बीएसए की दुनिया। बीएसए की दुनिया में आज हम सीखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 70। 70 नंबर क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि आपको सीढ़ी चढ़नी है और बताना है कि कैसे कितने कितने तरीके से सीढ़ी चढ़ सकते हैं। अरे यार, मैं तो भूल ही गया, मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलना था। तो लेट्स बिगिन। So what we will do, we will start from seven. We will start, first of all, you have to read the question. I will not repeat it for you. You have crossed so many steps. So you have graduated, you are educated. So I think so. I hope so that you can read over here. I will move to the step two, which is detailing this question. So I will detail it. So what is happening over here? So there are steps. Let us assume there are 5 steps and A is equal to 5. We are starting from here. We have 1 step, we have 2 steps, we have 3 steps, we have 4 steps, we have 5 steps. And here he is a boy. Don't know he's a boy. Yes, I maybe he is a boy. He is wearing pants, so he is a boy. And he has some hairs also, short hair, so it is a boy. Just name it. Yes, we will name it Rohit. So he is standing over here. So he have to go to fifth step. He is starting over here, and he have only two options. Either he can take 1 step or 2 steps. That means he can either jump, or he can go over here taking 1 step, or he can jump to taking 2 steps at a time, and he can go over here. And at last, we have to find out that how many ways he can reach to the top. That means if he will take 1 step at a time, that means one, 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 one. This is one way. And if he will take 2 steps at a time, so he will take two first step, second step, and then he have only one option to take 1 step to reach the top. That means it is the second way. And in the similar way, we have to find all the ways which are over here to reach the top. I think so. You have understand the question, what it is going over here. I'm erasing it. ये भाई रेज हो जाओ, रेज हो जाओ. Yes, it is erased. So we'll discuss the solution. So solution part comes. So again we have the stairs. Stairs are similar. Again we have a boy. He is wearing pants, standing and ready to be on the top. N is equal to 5. Let me cross it. N is equal to 5. So what we have to do? We will firstly form an array. So what we will do is to start from the last position, not on the first. Uh, if you want to start from the first, yes, it is. You can do that, but we are starting from the last, as I know the solution. So according to me, this is one is the easiest one and the most suitable one. So just begin. We will form an array. We have formed an array. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think so. These steps are not good for you to understand the actual way. Let us remove this guy and form a stairs again so that you can visualize it nicely and get the actual point apart from the jokes. We will do it with more straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here is a girl. You can notice it is a girl because it is wearing skirt, and just name it Rohit. Okay. No harms. Okay, let us name it some different name. Name it Roy. Rai. Okay, Rai. Yes, yes. So what you have to do? You have to either climb one step. We are starting from the last position. Notice warrior. Why? Because if she is on the last step, there is only one way to reach to the top, which is only one way. So if he is on the top, ah, he is only one way to reach warrior, which is one. Okay, and if uh, it is on the fourth step, and so if it is on the fourth step, so what we can do? So it has only one way. If he is on the fifth step, she has only one way to reach warrior, which is one. He you have to do, and if she is on the fourth step, he has she can take two things. She has two options, either to take one step or either to take two steps. If she will take two steps, it is non-considerable. So if even if she is on the fourth step, she has only one way to reach on the fifth step, which is one. Here we are counting the number of ways to reach on the fifth row, nth row. And one thing to notice, even if the n is 100, even and then also uh, on the nth step, he will have one way to reach on the same position, and n minus one at the n minus one way, n minus one position, he will have only one way to reach on the top, which is one. So for third step, here we have to look more carefully if we want to observe nicely. Observation part is important over here. The code part is very simple. So when she is on the third step, she has two ways. Either she can take one step and one step to four, or she can take two steps, which will end up to the five. That means, yeah, and after that, when she is on the fourth step, he has one. From fourth, she has one way to reach to five, and from five, she has one way to reach to five. So overall, you can see that she has two ways to reach five, either by going to fourth or either by going to five directly. And if you have not understand what is happening over here, just look to the next step. What I'm doing. So on the second row, second step, what, how many ways she can go to the top? Either she can go to three, or either she can go to four, by taking one step, by taking two steps. And from here, when she is on the three, she has two ways to reach to five. And when she was on a fourth step, she has one way to reach to the five. So what we can do, we will just calculate it. We will say, for getting the number of ways to get to five, we can take she has two options, and when we add up those, it will lead to three. That means overall she has three ways to go to five when she is standing on two. And when and how we I if you want to see it more clearly, then how is it correct or not, I will show you some other way also. From there you can get it. Let me erase it. And what we will do next is, we will do the same thing. If she is on the one, she has two ways. Either she can go to two, or either she can go to three. And what we will do over here is to do the same. We will just add on. Uh, if she is on a two, she has three ways. If she is on a three, she has two ways to reach on the fifth step. Overall, if you will sum it, she has five steps to go to uh, fifth, fifth step. And in the similar way, uh, we can say that if c is on the zeroth, which is over here, how many ways? So we have to add it. Uh, um, Let me show it. He can go to 2 or she can go to 3. So if she goes to 2, she has, I know my mistake. She was on the zeroth row, no? Zeroth step. She was on zeroth step. So either she can go to 1 or she can go to 2. If she goes to 1, she has five ways to reach the top. And if she goes to 3, she has 3 ways to go to top. So when we add this up, it is 8. If you are doubting me that whether it is the what I have written is correct, I will show you another way to find out the number of ways. It is just for understanding. You can do in that manner also, but it is kind of it will just increase your number time complexity. So I'm just showing you the chart. So from here we can see that when she was on zeroth row, she has 8 ways to climb, go to the top. Let me show it. Let me prove myself that I'm correct. So I will convert she to he. Just convert she to he. Just erase it. It is for my convenience. So he is on the first zeroth position. He has 2 ways. Either he can go to 1, or he can take 1 step, or he can take 2 steps. Isn't it? When he takes 1 step, again he have 2 options. Either he can take 1 step, which will add up to 2. That means first step, and again he taken 1 step, so it will add up to 2. And if he takes from one step, he takes 2 steps, then he will end up to 3. That means he have taken 2 steps. Here he have taken 1 step. Here he have taken 2 steps. N is equal to 5. That means he will stop whenever he have completed 5 step. He have reached to the 5 step, or uh, he have exceeded it. He will stop here. We will not calculate it, but yes, he have to stop. So from here, he will take, he have taken 1 step, he will go to 3, and either he can take 2 steps, which will end up with 4. And whenever he was on 3, he can take 1 step to go to 4, he can take 2 steps to go to 5 directly. We'll mark it as yes, it is an option. He will take 1 step, then he will take 2 steps, then he will take uh, 2 steps to reach over here, and it is a way to reach the nth position, which is 5. Now we'll see on the other things. If he is on the third step, he has 2 options. He will take 1 step, which will end up into 4. If he take 2 steps, it will end up into 5. Again, he completed it. This is another way. And when he was on 4, we have 2 ways. He can take 1 step, he can take 2 steps. When he was on 4, he can take 1 step, or he can take 2 steps. We will cancel it out. This will not count. Yes, it exceeds, so though you have to stop here. But yes, we will not count in that way. So we will notice out these whenever he completes the top row, whenever he reaches the fifth step. From here also, if he take 1 step, he reaches to 5. If he takes 2 steps, it reaches him to 6. So this is the way. And in the similar way, I'm doing over here in first. 3, or if we take 2 steps, it will end into 4. It will end into 5. It will end into 6, which I have to ignore, which I have to count. And from here, if it takes 2 steps, it will end into. If you will take 1 step, it will end into 4. If 2 steps, 5. Again, if from here, it will take 1 step, which will end up to 5. And if you will take 2 steps, it will end up to 6. We will cancel it out and we'll count it. So here we have got the result. Just find out whether it was right or wrong. So here's first way is this for reaching the nth row, which is 5. Nth step. Second way, third way, fourth way, fifth way, sixth way, seventh way, eighth way. Okay, I was right. That means we have again eight ways to reach to the top. So we have concluded that this way is right. And if you will notice this way, it is similar to that. It is called, I'm not recalling the name, but it is kind of a pattern which we were solving, that we have given two things and it will add to the 2, 3, 5. But we are doing it in the reverse manner. So this was the solution of this. Where is the eraser? And now I will show you the coding part, how you have to do the coding. It is not getting erased. You don't mess up with me. Let me do something, relax. After that, I will share.